Hello everyone, my name is Harshal Patil. I am studying in third year computer from ZIL Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. So our group members are Harshal Patil, Rizwan Mullah and Pranav Kulkarni. Our topic name is Python program to illustrate different set operations. Our project guide is Professor Mahesh Pawar sir. So first of all we will study about what is a set. So sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A set is four inbuilt data types in Python. So it is used to store collection of data and other three list, tuple and dictionary, all with different qualities and different usage. So a set is collection in which unordered and unindexed pair. So unordered means a set doesn't have any definite order, and unindexed means it does not have any specific index. So next is different types of set operations in Python. So Python offers data types called sets whose elements must be unique. So it can be used to perform various operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. So set union is denoted by symbol I. Intersection is denoted by symbol ampersand. Difference is denoted by symbol dash, and symmetric difference is denoted by symbol or. So further description of these points will be explained by Pranav Kulkarni. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshal. As Harshal explained about what is set and different set operations, we will see one by one all set operations. First one is union. In union method, the union method returns a set that contains all items from original set as well as items from or elements from specified set. You can specify as many sets you want. It's separated by commas. It does not have to be set. It can be any iterable object. Syntax for union: set dot union in bracket set 1 comma set 2 comma set 3. As many set you want to get union, you can add in it in bracket. For an example, if they are set named as A and other one is B, elements in set A is 0, 1, 2, 3, and elements present in set B is 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want to get union of set E, A and set B, then element present in a set A union B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Next one is intersection. Intersection method returns a new set with element that are common to all sets. In another language, we can say that intersection contains similarity between two or more sets. For an example, if their set A and B, element present in a set A is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, and element present in a B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we get intersection of set A and set B, it will contain only same element present in both of set A and B, that is 2 and 4.
Yes, thank you, Pranav Kulkarni. Now I would like to move forward to set differences and set symmetric differences. So first let us see what is set differences. The difference between the two sets in Python is equal to the difference between the number of element in two set. The function difference method returns the set that is difference between the two sets. So basically set difference is denoted by minus sign. Like if you want to remove the difference of set A with B, we use A minus B, and if you want to remove the difference of set B to the A, we usually do B minus A. This means that the element should only be in one set. It should not be in another set, or it won't be common. So here let us see the example. We have set A equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and set B as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we want to remove the difference of A to B, we do is difference print the difference A minus B. So here what we do is we remove the exclusive element of only the set A. The elements which are only present in set A are 0, 6 and 8, and this 2 and 4 is common in the set B and set A. So the exclusive elements which are only present in set A are 0, 6 and 8. So you can see the output over here. The difference of set is 8, 0 and 6. Let us move to symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. The Python symmetric difference method returns the symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference of two set A and B is the set of elements that are either A or B but not the intersection. So basically what this means is if we remove the intersection from the union, result is nothing but the set. This means the element which are exclusive member of A or exclusive member of B, but not the common from this both, will be the result of symmetric difference. So here let us see an example. If we have set A equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if we print the symmetric difference A to B, so output will be the exclusive member of A, and so here the exclusive member of A are 0, 6 and 8, and the exclusive member of B are 1, 3 and 5. So hence while printing the symmetric difference, the output will be 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. The common element from this both will be ignored. So the output will be the exclusive member of A and exclusive member of B. So here comes a final conclusion of our project. In this project, we have successfully learned what are sets and its different operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. And we are also familiar with the example of set differences. Thank you for your valuable time. I hope it's clear to you all, and thank you once again.